Mwana Francis ni riboti tuli hau hari horo wigi githomo nake mwandĩki mũkaru wa mathomo ma kothi cia moko ndagĩtarĩ Esther Muoria ni areganĩte na ũhoro atĩ arutwo arĩa marauma college-inĩ cia mathomo ma moko ni marauma kumana na thogora munene wa bithi ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie arutwo gũkorwo makĩaga kũrĩkia thukuru. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria werũhia wa mũtaratara wa mathomo ma kothi cia moko gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, Muoria augĩte marĩhi ma ciringi 35,000 marĩa marĩhagio kothi ici ni undu mangihota kurumbuania naguo mari agikiro giki. Augite mieri 3 iria arutwo acio makoragwo magithoma ni ikoragwo iri meiganu tondu amwao ona ni makoragwo mamukirite ugi wa kothi ciganite kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe na ona angi makorwo makigwatira mawira mwanya mwanya ma kothi iria mathomeire macukuru-ini macio.
Ladies and gentlemen, my statement has always been this, as a Kenyan and as a parent and as a brother. Money is never enough. Resources will always be scarce. So yes, there are times that we will not be having all the resources that we need to allocate to the students. And that is, it is not even enough anywhere, even in our homes. So yes, sometimes we would be struggling, but that does not mean as government we are not making as much effort as possible to be able to allocate these resources to our young people. For example, since yesterday I've been struggling together with the CS to be able to avail the help that has not been released as yet. So it is not that we are not willing, but sometimes the availability of these resources is not absolute.